Today I'm creating a traditional Kazakh coat called the Zhagaidai. This coat is known for its unique design and cultural significance. First, I'll gather materials like wool or felt, which are essential for warmth. Next, I'll cut the fabric into pieces based on a classic pattern. Then, I'll stitch the pieces together, adding decorative elements that reflect Kazakh artistry. Finally, after fitting the coat, I'll share the history and importance of the Zhagaidai in Kazakh culture.